Did you know you can start making money on YouTube even if you haven't reached monetization or joined the partner program yet? Sounds unreal, right? But it's true. The Teza app is launching a tech story campaign starting November 1st, where they'll pay 50 cents per 1,000 views. That's way higher than what most shorts creators are getting, so this is a huge opportunity. All you need to do is use Teza to create your tech story videos and be part of the campaign. And here's the best part. By getting a subscription, you also get one-on-one mentorship from algorithm experts, which makes it impossible to not make a return on your investment. So in this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to make tech story videos with Teza. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any step. Now let's get started. The very first step to creating your tech story video is getting your script ready. If you already have a storyline or idea in mind, that's awesome, you're already one step ahead. But if you're just starting out and want AI to write your tech story scripts for you, don't worry, I've got you covered. I've created a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompt that will instantly help you generate viral, engaging tech story scripts perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. These prompts are designed to help you come up with creative conversations, realistic chat flows, and emotional hooks that grab attention in the first few seconds. You'll find the link to that Google Doc down below in the video description, so definitely check it out before you start creating. And if you've made it this far into the video, take a quick second to hit that like button. It helps the algorithms show this tutorial to more creators who want to make money with tech stories, just like you. All right, let's dive back in. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt. Once that's done, open your favorite AI text generator. For this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt directly into ChatGPT, and before you hit generate, make one quick edit. Replace the time section with how long you want your video to be. For example, 1 minute, 2 minutes, or longer. After that, click Generate, and within seconds, ChatGPT will ask what topic you want your text conversation to be about. For this example, I'll use a boy asking a girl out. Then just press Enter. ChatGPT will ask a few simple questions to better understand your story or characters. Once you answer them, it'll instantly create a highly engaging, realistic text conversation script that's perfect for your YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels video. And here's a pro tip. If you don't like the first version, don't stress it. Just tell ChatGPT to regenerate or tweak specific parts, like making it funnier, more emotional, or shorter. You can repeat this process until you get the perfect text story script that matches your content style and tone. Now that we've got our text story script ready, it's time to turn it into an actual video using the Teza app. Head over to Teza using the link in the description below. Click Get Started and create your account. Once you log in, you will be taken straight to the Teza homepage, where you'll see one of the platform's most powerful tools, the Get Your Page Reviewed feature. This feature is a game changer for creators. With just one click, Teza connects you directly to their official Discord community, where real content growth experts personally review your YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram pages. They'll give you honest, data-based feedback on how to grow your audience, improve engagement, and optimize your videos for better reach. So before you even start creating, Teza helps you understand exactly what's working and what you can improve, so your tech story videos have the best chance to go viral. Once you're inside your Teza dashboard, you'll see a complete suite of AI-powered creator tools built to help you dominate new content niches fast. You'll find features like OpenAI Sora 2, Smart Cut Clips, Reddit Story Generator, and a lot more. All designed to save you time and help you create high-quality, viral-ready videos with almost zero editing experience. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on the text story tool. Go ahead and click Text Story from the Teza app menu, and you'll be taken straight to the script section. Here, you'll see a clean and easy-to-use interface where you can paste the text story script we generated earlier using ChatGPT. On the screen, you'll notice two sections. The right is for the sender's messages, and the left is for the receiver's replies. Teza also gives you two options. 1. Paste your own custom script, like the one we created in ChatGPT. 2. Let Teza's built-in AI automatically generate a brand new text story for you. If you want Teza to write the story for you, just type a short idea, maybe a funny chat, a romantic story, or a friendship drama, or pick from the inspiration prompts displayed below. But for this tutorial, we'll stick with our custom ChatGPT script. Here's what to do. Head back to ChatGPT, copy the first line of dialogue, that's usually the boy's message, and paste it into the sender's box, which is the right. Then click Add Left to open the Receivers section. Copy the girl's response from ChatGPT and paste it into the left box. Keep repeating this simple process. Right for the sender, left for the receiver, until you've entered the entire conversation. Once your full script looks clean and flows naturally, click Next. You'll arrive at the Style section inside the Teza app. This is where you make your text story video look professional, realistic, and visually appealing. The first thing you'll do here is upload the profile photo of your receiver. This image appears at the top of your chat, just like in a real messaging interface, instantly giving your video a more authentic and personalized feel. After uploading the image, go ahead and enter the receiver's name. This will display as the contact name during the chat animation. Small details like this make a huge difference in keeping your viewers hooked. Once that's done, move on to choosing your text theme. Teza offers several clean, modern, and trending chat designs, so you can pick the one that best fits your video's mood. When you're happy with your setup, click Next to move into the video section. Now this part is where things really start to pop. Here's where you select your background video, which adds depth and movement to your text story. Teza gives you multiple options, including trending visual backgrounds. For this tutorial, we'll go with the writer's background video, which adds a cinematic, fast-paced vibe. But if you want full creative control, you can choose the green screen option and overlay your own footage later for a more custom look. Once you've picked your background, simply click Next. You'll be taken to the audio section inside the Teza app. This is where you bring your Minecraft text story video to life using realistic AI voices. Start by clicking Select Left Voice. Teza will show you a wide range of professional, high-quality AI voices to choose from. The left voice represents the receiver in your text story. And since our script features a female character, we'll select a female AI voice. Then click Select Right Voice. This voice belongs to the sender, who in our script is a male, so we'll go with a natural-sounding male AI voice. Teza also lets you adjust the voice speed. You can slow it down for emotional stories or speed it up for faster-paced, funny conversations. Make sure to preview the playback so you're happy with the pacing and overall sound. Once both voices are set, click Next and then tap Export Video. Teza will automatically start generating your video, combining your text messages, AI voices, and background visuals into one seamless clip. The rendering process only takes a few moments, so be patient and let Teza work its magic. And just like that, your AI text story video is ready to go. Now go ahead and download your finished video directly to your device and preview your final result.
Yo, that's how you start a convo now?
Nah, I had a whole speech planned, but my brain just crashed.
Reboot it, then what's up?
Okay, serious question.
Oh boy, am I in trouble?
Depends. If saying yes to a fun day with me counts as trouble.
Hold up, is this you asking me out or just trying to get me to pay for lunch again?
Bold of you to assume I'd pay this time.
LMAO, wow, romantic already.
Fine, official version. Lena, would you like to go out with me this weekend? Like a real date?
Wait, you're being serious?
90% serious, 10% terrified.
Haha, okay, I'll help your odds.
Meaning?
Meaning yes, dummy pick me up Saturday.
Screaming into a pillow.
Make sure it's not the same pillow you cried into after losing that FIFA match.
Wow, already bullying me. Perfect start to our love story.
If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials, and drop any question down in the comments section.